Time for a worm bucket check. I threw some butternut squash in here and had an infestation of some type of squash beetle larva. My population of worms seemed to decrease a lot. So now I am going to check on them and see how they're doing. So first thing I need to do is move the cardboard and some of this paper that's at the top. And let's see what's inside. Looking for worms. Well, I'm not seeing a huge number of beetle larvae, so that's good. Oh, there's a larva right there. But I also see some worms. So that's good. All right, this looks a little damp, which they like, but it's also pretty compact. So I'm gonna loosen this up a little bit and add a little bit more paper and cardboard to it, a little more bedding. Also got some shredded paper that I can add to the paper shredder. See if we can't make this a little bit more hospitable for the worms. So I added a double handful of new paper. After loosening the bottom part, found a lot more worms down there, which is good. I'm going to add a handful of sand here. That grit is used by the worms to help them digest material. I also have some small pizza boxes that I left out in the dew, and I'm gonna rip those up and add them. I like to finish off with cardboard on the top. So I've got some cardboard here, I got it damp, and then I put a little piece of cardboard on the top because worms don't like light, and just in case any light seeps through the lid, I like to have that piece of cardboard on the top, and eventually they'll actually eat that cardboard and I'll have to replace it. So that's it for worm maintenance today.